Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 2 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's begin. First of all, change the color of the background. I'm just gonna use eyedropper and close the format background panel and insert a small circle of same height and width, but it have to be really small, and let's just put it into the center and the middle and insert a larger circle with height and width of 12 centimeter and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D. And for the second circle, insert an image in it. And for the previous circle, we're just going to change its color to white. Yeah, something like this. Next, remove the outline of both the circles, and for this circle, change its color to dark blue and remove its outline as well. Move the circle back into the center and the middle on top of the smaller circle, and insert your text and change its color in the circle. So here you go. Now let me just adjust the content text into it. The next thing I'm just gonna do is select the content text alone and decrease its size. And for the header, I'm just going to increase its size. So here you go. Let me just align them all to the left side. And for this one, I'm gonna increase its size because this is the title of our entire template and the name of the person we're using the picture of. So you can also write the profession of this person to fill up the space if you want. Let's change this color. So here you go. Now put the circle of image back on the second circle and then duplicate this template and move these two circles away. And for this small circle, press Ctrl and then increase its size. And then select both of these circles and put a gap in them that the text is visible, and select both of them and then move them into the middle and the center of the entire template. You can first group them and then ungroup them and select both of them and click on transitions and click on morph transition and give them morph transition. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And if you haven't subscribed yet, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in another video soon.